guys, welcome to the latest episode of Trains Out, and today I'm at Hastings, located on the East Coast Line and the start of the Marshall Line. And even there was 171402 on the 1408 Southern service to Eastbourne. Today you've seen services by Southern and South East, and maybe a few Garrick Express carriages which are doing Southern services. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys and enjoy the video. Okay, arriving now is the 1412 Southern service to Orr. It's Garrick Express 387. It's 387 212. And we'll see this train when it departs. Right, departing now is 1412 Southern service to Orr with 387 212. There goes 387 212 on the 1412 Southern service to Orr. We'll see how it's when it comes back probably.
Summer-weather.
Alright, arriving now is the 1422 Southern service to London Victoria.
Platform 2 for the 1423 Southern service to London Victoria.
It's 377 404.
Bakefield, Collie, 17 West, Hampton Park, Eastbourne, Aldgate, Lewis, Somerset,
See this train, and we'll see this train when it departs. Alright, departing now is the 1423 Southern service to London Victoria with 377 404. And there goes 377 404 on the 1423 Southern service to London Victoria. Alright, arriving now is a terminating South Eastern service from London Charing Cross. (375 608) at the front. And 375 824 bringing up the rear. Alright, departing now is 375 827 on the 1431 South Eastern service starting here to London Charing Cross. go the rear when the rear leaves the station. Let's wait to fit the parts. It's going. In the rear it was 375813. And then goes 375824, 827, and 375813 on the 1431 Southeastern Service to London Charing Cross. Alright, arriving now on platform 4 is the delayed 1426 Southern Service to Ashford International. With 171801, I think. Yep, 171801. And we'll see this train when it departs. Alright, departing now is 171801 on the delay 1426 Southern Service to Ashford International. And that'll be the final train in the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And also comment if you want more like this. Alright. Right, see you later guys.